Hey, what's going on YouTube? Let's start off with gold. Gold took a hit pretty good today. If you look at the chart, we've got a balance line. It hit that balance line pretty hard. Closed on its lows. So right now I was waiting for it to open, and it's opening down. Can't really tell specifically on this daily chart whether or not it's closing below yesterday's low, but it's very close. Now what I put this trend line in to the previous high, going all the way through, and you can see how it's like a balance point. I forget the technical term for it, but look for price if it wants to break lower. Look for price to hit 1220 right off the 34 daily. Who knows where it's going to go? Obviously, this thing hasn't had a bullish retracement yet since it took off weeks ago, a couple months ago almost, I think. But let's take this line out now. So here we have on a weekly the EMA 8 at 1220. Look for a bounce there. Obviously, second bounce at 1165, but we've got some support here at, let's just call it 12. But certainly this thing hasn't had a bullish retracement yet. A lot of those gold stocks that we've been looking at, a lot of the miners, gold miners, they just shot out and never came back, except for small amounts. We have some support here at the previous low here at 1240. If we can get above there. But it's likely to come down to about 1220, making this thing bounce. Look for a bounce at 1220, or 34 on the weekly, or 34 on the daily, and an EMA 8 on the weekly. That's all I can say. We are looking at a double top on a weekly, but we have a Fed meeting this week. Who knows what they're going to say? I don't think they're going to do anything. News came out that they're going to take some of the bigger banks. I think it was Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Citigroup are going to take $1 trillion worth of derivatives off of Deutsche Bank's balance book. I didn't really see any confirmation of that information, but if that's the case, the banking system's not doing good. So I don't imagine this thing coming all the way down to its natural point, which is 1136, near where it broke out. We got support again at 12 and 1220. So we'll see what happens. Here's your 1220 support right here. Don't know what else to say other than the fact that I've been waiting for a retracement on this thing. How big the retracement is, I don't know. All I know is the quicker the retracement and the quicker the move back up, breaking previous highs, the bigger the move is going to be. So there you go. Came up to 1280 again. Silver. Here's a daily. It's coming back down to support. Busted through on a daily EMA 8, hit the EMA 13, and we also have the got a lot of support here. That's the thing with these bullish retracements. They're pretty resilient because they got lots of support working on it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks now above 34 trend. That hasn't happened for a very long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Silver's still consolidating over the 34. It can consolidate as long as it wants, as long as it doesn't break down. Silver looks okay. Just not. I'm worried about gold, how far it's going to go down. Here's the dollar. Looks like it's doing another bearish retracement. Trying to think. Let's just draw another line. Let's see if we can make another lower high. Still working in this pattern, I guess. In and around the 34. What I'm looking at here on the weekly is the EMA 8 is crossing over the 34. So look for another bearish retracement back to the line, which is in and around 97. Looking at a daily, see if we can. So we have a little gap up this late afternoon. So here's that point in and around 97, breaking in the previous lows to get it up to there. That will be its. I suspect its last bearish retracement before it falls apart. S&P, it's still trying to move up, but it's struggling. Let's go longer term. So weekly. Still trying to move up. See if we can make it that previous or lower high up to these points. It's trying to move up, but it's struggling. What it's doing is getting rejected through the previous highs or previous lows. Look for a breakdown below 2000. Looks like we have a close to a double top at 2020. So it might be losing gas. I'm not looking at any indicators here, but maybe if you pull up a 13 on a weekly, maybe if you pull up a 13-day RSI and see where it's sitting. Is it overextended or not? That's my question. But it's definitely rolling over. It's just taking forever, right? Okay, so real quick on crude, it's rolling over. Had a struggle to try to get past that 38 in the previous lows. So here's the previous lows. Just had a little struggle there. Broke previous highs into previous lows. It got stopped. Not sure if it's done, but it's definitely bearish candle for the day. And for the week, looks bearish so far for the week. So look for support at 34, maybe a bounce. Maybe it can try again. That's about it. Pretty sure everyone got smashed on this little gold retrace. I'm still in mine. I was down for a little bit, but I evened out. No worries. I'm still in a bullish retracement, bottom to support kind of scenario. So I got, I'm still above support. Still above support. I'm still in. Just taking forever, obviously. But hang in there, guys. We got a Fed meeting this week. Let's see if they want to throw some more lies at us and help the gold market out. But let me know what's going on out there. All right, see ya.